Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Well, behind me I've got something a little bit special to show you today, but before I go on, make sure you subscribe to Ultimate Diesel Tuning on YouTube and click the bell for notifications. Well guys, as I said, this is something different. It's an Isuzu NPS truck 75 155, and I must say, over the last 2 or 3 years, we now tune a heap of these at all our stores. So one thing about these Isuzu trucks, in factory form, they're really underwhelming. So this one's in for a custom dyno tune, so let's get it in the workshop and get it all underway. All right guys, we've just run the NPS truck up on the dyno and done its pre-tune inspection as well. Obviously this vehicle is really heavy, so we can't put it on one of our hoists, but what we have done is our team go over and make sure mechanically the vehicle's in good order before we do any tuning, just like any other vehicle here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Well, the owner of this vehicle uses it every day for work, and that's why he's got the canopies on the back. As well as that, when he does get away, he uses it for towing, and he tows around 4 tonne behind it. So it's got a fair bit of weight on it, and that's the reason why I wanted to get it custom dyno tuned, to get that increase in power and torque, which we get great results out of these, which I'll show you after we've done the custom dyno tune. Well guys, we've now completed the custom dyno tune on the NPS truck. Let me talk you through the results. Don't be surprised just how little the power is out of this truck in standard form. So we first ran it up, it had 55 kilowatts of power and 268 Newton meters of torque at the rear tyres. After we completed the custom dyno tune, it went to 109 kilowatts of power and 471 Newton meters of torque. Now this was a 100% gain in peak power, but in the torque department, it was a 76% gain over standard. So the owner of this NPS drives it every day and won't be impressed with those torque gains, especially when you've got the load behind the truck. Well guys, that's another Isuzu truck custom dyno tune by us here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. As I said earlier, we do tune a heap of these now, and as you can see from the results in there, it's pretty damn impressive. So if you've got an Isuzu truck and you want to get the gains like this guy is out of his, give us a call, speak to our diesel experts, or drop into one of our performance centres in Brisbane, Gold Coast and Melbourne. I want to make mention there is 2 varieties in this which come in the auto and the manual. The manual do get more power out of them, and it's just due to being able to handle the additional torque through that manual transmission. And make sure you subscribe to Ultimate Diesel Tuning on YouTube.